Hi students, welcome to our channel Max Plus You. I am your Max tutor Subramanian. So we are continuing CBSE board exams questions children. Chapter 10 vector algebra we are doing till now 50 questions successfully we have completed. So now 51st question. In this video we are going to discuss from question number 51 to 55. A vector equals to I cap plus j cap plus k cap. A vector dot b vector equals to 1 and a vector cross b vector equals to j cap minus k cap. Want to find magnitude of b vector. So first b vector itself we don't know. Consider b vector as xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Then a vector dot b vector equals to 1. So a vector value I cap plus j cap plus k cap dot xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap equal to 1. Clear, children? So b vector we taken xi plus yj plus zk. Then a vector dot b vector equal to 1 is given. From that we just substituting a vector value. Now when you just doing dot product, we got x plus y plus z equals to 1. Till now any doubts? If this is clear, go with a vector cross b vector, that is j minus k they have already given. So we will start doing a vector cross b vector, I cap, j cap, k cap, children. Then we will use to do a vector coefficients 1 1 1, b vector we have taken x y z. Then how we are doing, a cross b equals to I cap plus I cap you deleted now, you will get 1 into z minus 1 into y is y. So z minus y. Clear, check. Then minus j plus minus plus. So minus j if you take now, 1 into z minus x. Then plus k. If you are taking plus k, then y minus x. If you are equating I cap, j cap, k cap, no children. So I cap coefficient here is z minus y. So we are equating because already they have given a cross b equal to j cap minus k cap. Did they given? So what we are doing? We are finding a cross b. Then we are equating with j cap minus k cap. Now here j cap coefficient is, I cap coefficient is z minus y. Here I cap itself not there. Then 0 I cap equate with 0. Minus y goes outside now, plus y we are getting z equal to y. Clear appa? I cap, j cap, k cap coefficients we are equating, nothing. Next, minus of z minus x equal to 1. How is that minus of z minus x equal to 1? J cap coefficient here is negative of z minus x. Here j cap coefficient is 1. So minus you multiply inside now, you will get x minus z equals to 1. Then here the coefficient is y minus x, k cap coefficient. Here k cap coefficient is minus 1. So y minus x minus 1 is nothing but minus x plus y equal to minus 1. Like this we can do. Now we are substituting the second equation in first equation, children. What is second equation? Can you check the second equation? The first equation is x plus y plus z equal to 1, first equation. Second equation is z equal to y. Since z equal to y is available, z place la y you substitute. Chocolate plus chocolate, 2 chocolate, y plus y, 2y. So x plus 2y equals to 1. Then solve the equation 4 and 5. One is minus x plus y equal to minus 1. Another one is x plus 2y equal to 1. So you know, children, basic elimination method. Minus x plus x gets cancelled. Chocolate plus 2 chocolate, 3 chocolate. So 3y equal to 0. So 3y 0 now, y is 0. yu is already equal. So y is 0. Z equal to y, z also 0. Substitute y equal to 0 in the equation 5. What we will get? X plus 2 into 0 equal to 1. So x equals to 1. So y is 0 already 0 pa. Y is 0. X value alone we are getting 1 when we are substituting in the equation. So x1, y0, z0. Substitute in the b vector 1i cap plus 0j cap plus 0k cap. Then do magnitude of b. So once you are doing the magnitude of b, root over 1 square plus 0 square plus 0 square, that is nothing but root 1. So magnitude of b is 1. Till this is clear, check children. So I hope it's clear. Now going for 52nd A. Suppose if you have a doubt in the question, any steps, na kindly inform in the comments. 52A what now? If A vector and B vector are two vectors such that magnitude of A plus B equals to magnitude of B vector, then we want to prove A vector plus 2B vector is perpendicular to A vector. We itself know some vectors are perpendicular now. The dot product we want to prove it is 0. When we are proving some dot product is 0, then it is clear. This is clear, check children. So we just start doing. They have given A vector plus B vector equals to magnitude of B vector. 2 squaring on both sides, children. So A why sir we are doing squaring on both sides now? Then we have a chance of getting 0. Okay, so how we going to make, we will do it. Squaring on both sides we are doing. So magnitude of A plus B whole square, here magnitude of B square. So this we can write A plus B, A vector plus B vector dot A vector plus B vector, or directly can apply magnitude of A square plus magnitude of B square plus 2 into A vector dot B vector equals to magnitude of B vector square. Plus magnitude of B vector square come this side now, minus. So plus magnitude of B vector square minus magnitude of B vector square gets cancelled. Then we got A vector square my plus 2 into A vector dot B vector equals to 0. Then anything we can take common, I see children. A vector we can take common. Therefore, A vector plus 2B vector. So something dot product is 0. A vector dot B vector is 0 na. A vector perpendicular to B vector. So here the A vector and A plus 2B dot product is 0. So these two are perpendicular. Clear, children? So it can be A dot B 0 na perpendicular from this. That's it, the sum is over. So actually 3 marks sum around, okay va? So just do it, it was easier. So we are just doing squaring and we are simplifying and getting dot product. Dot product 0 we are saying 1 mark and writing perpendicular half mark. See children. Then going for 52b pa. Again this type of sum we have done, I think in the 40 around we have done like this sum, but that was more work comparatively, like 50th sum. If you see question number 50, in that we have magnitude of A plus B by magnitude of A minus B, like that it was there, but here magnitude of A minus B alone is there. So how 50th sum we have done a whole square A plus B whole square and we have expanded, like that here magnitude of A minus B alone is there. There they have given same magnitude, so that way magnitude of A magnitude of B equal to M we have taken. I am talking about last video children, all are continuous, so important. So anyone who didn't see the other sums, kindly complete that sums and come, so it will be easy. The continuity will be easy for you. Okay, so they have given here is 2 unit vectors underline. If that vectors are unit vector, then that magnitude are 1. So magnitude of A is 1, magnitude of B is 1. Then we know that magnitude of A minus B the whole square. So A minus B the whole square, we can write A vector minus B vector dot A vector minus B vector. Then expand magnitude of A square minus 2A vector dot B vector plus magnitude of B square. So we all know A vector dot B vector is nothing but magnitude of A vector, magnitude of B vector cos theta. So that's what this step you are getting. Magnitude of A square minus 2 into magnitude of A vector, magnitude of B vector cos theta plus magnitude of B square. So magnitude of A value is 1, then again 1, again 1, again 1. So 1 square is 1, 2 ones are the 2 minus 2 cos theta, again 1 square 1. 1 plus 1 what now? 2. So 2 minus 2 cos theta. 2 take common. So you are getting it as 1 minus cos theta. Till this is the same only. Last time, but both will come. 1 minus cos also will come. 1 plus cos also will come in 15th question. That means 50th question. Here only 1 minus cos theta. So your work is simpler. Okay, 1 minus cos theta formula what children? We know 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sine square x. Then off angle formula. Instead of 1 minus cos 2x, 1 minus cos x alone as them coming now. 2 sine square x by 2. Instead of that x place here, theta is there. So 1 minus cos theta what formula now? 2 sine square theta by 2. Same way 1 plus cos theta what formula now? 2 cos square theta by 2. This if you remember also okay. They are very good memory power. Sir, 1 minus cos theta equal to 2 sin square theta by 2 sir. 1 plus cos theta equal to 2 cos square theta by 2 sir. Like that you remember na? Happy. Then 2 2s are 4 children. Then multiplication 4 comes this side na division. So 1 by 4 magnitude of a vector minus b vector square equals to sin square theta by 2. Then sin theta by 2 if you're talking. So you have to do the square root on both sides. What we want to do? Square root. When you're taking square root children, so that way root over 1 by 4. Root 1 is 1 and root 4 is 2. And magnitude of a vector minus b vector whole square. When you're doing square root, square root gets cancelled. So that way we wanted to proceed it. We want to just proceed as it is. So multiplication comes here, division, and sin theta equal to half of magnitude of a vector minus b vector. Children, for C, for the final answer is 1 mark, and putting that whole square is 1 mark. Then writing that format properly, that is 1 mark. So it's a 3 mark question for your kind information. Going to 53A pa. A vector equals to I cap plus j cap, B vector I cap minus j cap, C vector equal to I plus j plus k. N cap is a unit vector and A vector dot n vector is 0, B vector dot n cap is 0. Find magnitude of C vector dot n cap. So since A vector dot n cap 0 and B vector dot n cap 0, it says that n cap is perpendicular to both A and B. Sir, like that? Yes. If this A dot B 0 and C dot B 0, then that B which is common, that is perpendicular to both. Because n cap is perpendicular to A vector also, n cap is perpendicular to B vector also. Once it's perpendicular, we should know we can apply this formula. N cap equals to A vector cross B vector by magnitude of A vector cross B vector. So apply A cross B formula, ijk, and just write the values, then simplify, get the n cap vector, answer is minus 2k cap. And do the magnitude children, root over minus 2 square and root 4, that is nothing but 2. Clear? N vector, n cap we are finding. How we are finding n cap? A vector cross B vector by magnitude of A vector cross B vector. Apply and get the answer n cap. Once n cap over, just substitute it. What we want to substitute? C vector dot n cap magnitude we want to find. First, do C vector dot n cap. Both you dot product children. C vector is I cap plus j cap plus k cap. N cap is minus k cap. So 1 into 0 plus 1 into 0 plus 1 into minus 1. So at last we are getting minus 1. So for that magnitude, here since number is there, so modulus, so the answer is 1. Clear? Check. So the people is asking, sir, like this symbol is there now. What, sir? This is magnitude in vector algebra, or it is modulus, or like that they are asking. This symbol inside we have number minus 5 plus 5, like that number is there now. Then it is, you have to treat it as modulus and you have to get the answer 5. But same inside we have vector inside now, you should treat it as magnitude. So this is like a quote, So what weapon I should use for that? My opponent only should decide. Like that one could decide. My opponent is the decider which weapon I supposed to use. Same way, who is inside in that symbol for that only will decide whether it is a modulus or magnitude. Now 53b. Good news is they given a vector and b vector are unit vector. So magnitude of a vector 1. Correct or not? Unit vector. Magnitude of b vector 1. Inclined at an angle 30 degree each other. Find the area of parallelogram. A vector plus 3b vector. 3a vector plus b vector as adjacent sides. Adjacent sides, now then we can write the formula area of parallelogram normala magnitude of a cross b. But now the one adjacent side is a vector plus 3b vector and another adjacent side is 3a vector plus b vector. Then start multiplying a vector cross 3a vector. Then a vector cross b vector. Then 3b vector cross 3a vector. Then 3b vector cross b vector. We know, children, a vector cross a vector and b vector cross b vector is 0 because determinant la ijk same number repeats 1 2 3 1 2 3 like that, something repeats now, then that determinant will be 0. If any two rows or two columns of a determinant are identical, then the determinant is 0. That way, anyway, we're going to do that only. So a cross a, b cross b is 0. Then this is 0. Yes. So this becomes 0. So a vector cross 3a vector and 3b vector cross b vector, this both become 0. Sir, that is okay, sir. What? A vector cross a vector 0, okay. A cross 3a, this will become 0, Anna. Yes. 3 is the constant. So even if you multiply it with that, then also it's 0. 3b, this is also 0, Anna. Yes. So it's like k a vector cross a vector also becomes 0. Or b vector cross k b vector is there also 0. K is a arbitrary constant. Okay, ba. So what's our balance? A cross b balance. Yes. Then 3b vector cross 3a vector balance. Yes, 3 3s are 9. 9b cross a. So what I should do? I have to do any one. A cross b I should write as minus b cross a. Can we write, children? A vector cross b vector, can we write it as minus b cross a? A vector cross b vector, can we write it as minus b vector cross a vector? So minus 9 plus 9, minus 1 plus 9 is nothing but 8. 8 into magnitude of b vector cross a vector. That is split. Normally magnitude a vector cross b vector na formula wise. Magnitude of a vector, magnitude of b vector, sine theta. So magnitude of b vector, magnitude of a vector, sine theta. That values and all we are getting it as 1. This value 1, this value 1, sine theta value 30 degree. So what sine 30 degree value now? 1 by 2, cancel, and getting the answer, area of parallelogram is 4. Clear, check, children? Go through doubt is there, I can ask me. Then going for 54a, find the angle between the vectors I cap minus j cap and j cap minus k cap. So a vector is I cap minus j cap, b vector is j cap minus k cap, both dot product. Multiply 1 into 0 minus 1 into 1 plus 0 into minus 1. At last we are getting minus 1. Do the magnitude for a vector. Root over 1 square plus minus 1 square, root 1 plus 1 root 2. And do magnitude of b vector. Again root over 1 square plus minus 1 whole square, root 2. You know cos theta formula, children. Sir, how should I know cos theta was sin theta vana? They are asking just angle between the vectors. It's your wish, you can write sin or cos, preferably cos, because sin like you want to do cross product. You would say you have a chance of doing dot product or cross product. Now, which you will prefer? I will prefer you definitely dot product. A at B value is minus 1. Magnitude of A is root 2. Magnitude of B also root 2. Minus 1. Root 2 into root 2 value is 2. Clear a check. So cos theta equal to minus cos 60 degree. Then you know minus cos theta, we can write it as cos 180 degree minus theta. Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. So this is minus cos 60 degree. So we can write it as 180 minus 60 degree. So we can write minus cos 60 degree as cos of, because cos 180 minus theta. Second quadrant, you remember children, cos 180 minus 120 degree. So second quadrant ma, so minus cos 60 degree. So cos removed, so you're getting it as angle is 60 degree. So 60 degree we can write, or pi by 3 we can write. So 54b, children, this is MCQ. If it is comes MCQs, you don't want to multiply this projection of one vector on x-axis now. You should know that is magnitude of A. Projection of R vector on y-axis now, magnitude of B. Projection of R vector on z-axis now, magnitude of C. So otherwise, 2 mark na, you may show multiply and show, but for MCQ definitely even 2 mark we can write, that is different. So projection of R vector on x-axis, so magnitude of A, so magnitude of 3 is 3. Projection of R vector on y-axis, magnitude of minus 4, so 4. So projection will be positive only, children, whenever the acute angle is coming. When the angle is acute, then the projection is positive. Then go for the last question for this video, 55th one. A vector given, B vector given. We want to find the alpha and beta so that both the vectors are collinear. Children, we have already discussed the A and B are collinear formula. Even 30th question in the PDF. In this video, you can see the 30th question. Children, I think the people who don't know about the PDF, like this, compiled all the board exam questions as a PDF. Okay, so that sums now only we are doing. Anyone not having PDF now, kindly text me in the comment box. We will send the PDF or we will send the link. We want to create the link, that is different. Since A vector and B vector are collinear, A1 by B1 equal to A2 by B2 equal to A3 by B3. So what is A1 by B1 now? Alpha by 2 equal to 3 by minus 1 equal to minus 6 by minus beta. So alpha by 2 you have to equate with the minus 3. Division 2 goes at sign multiplication. So alpha minus 6. Then second one, A2 by B2, 3 by minus 1 we can equate with minus 6 by minus beta. Minus minus cancel. Then you can keep that beta. 3 beta equals to 6 minus 6. Beta equals to minus 2. So alpha is minus 6, beta is minus 2. Clear a check, children?